This explains how to use the biology IA resources so you can get a 7. Hi, I'm Phil.
And I'm Susanna. In this video, we'll walk you through the Revision Village IB Biology Internal Assessment Bootcamp and how it helps you go from a rough idea to a high-scoring scientific investigation.
These biology IA resources are built to do 2 things at once. First, teach you what examiners are looking for, and second, show you exactly how to produce it in your own IA, step by step.
Each module includes clear information and guidance, a breakdown of the marking rubric so you know what earns the top band, and exemplars so you can see examples of student work and how it's scored.
You'll also get short explainer videos to model the approach, plus questions to check understanding, so you're not just watching, you're practicing the exact skills you'll need in your write-up. The IA resources are organised into 6 key modules.
First, Introduction to the IA. This sets expectations, what the IA is, what counts as strong scientific work, and common traps that keep students from scoring well.
Next, Research and Design. This is where you build the foundation, choosing a focused research question, justifying the biology, defining variables properly, and planning a method that's replicable and produces valid data. This module is especially important because weak planning limits everything else.
Next is Data Analysis. Here you learn how to present raw data clearly, process it correctly, and create graphs that accurately communicate your findings. It also covers the skills that separate average from top-scoring reports, handling uncertainty, identifying trends, and appropriately using statistics.
After that is the Conclusion module. This module shows you how to write conclusions that are evidence-based, clearly linked to your processed data, and biologically justified, not just a summary of your results.
Then there is the Evaluation module. This is where many reports fail to achieve top marks. The bootcamp teaches you how to evaluate like a scientist, identifying valid limitations, explaining how they affect validity or reliability, and proposing specific, realistic improvements.
Finally, we have the Exemplars. This module ties everything together by letting you study high-quality examples across the criteria, so you can benchmark your own work and understand what top-band writing looks like in practice. So what's the best way to use these IA resources effectively?
We'd say the best approach is to use the bootcamp as you develop your IA. Work through one module, apply it to your draft, then use the rubric breakdown and check questions to make sure your work is actually meeting the criteria.
If you want a single resource that teaches the IA structure, shows what high marks look like, and gives you guided practice to improve quickly, this feature is designed exactly for that.
We hope you found this Revision Village video on the IA Bootcamp useful. Thank you for watching.